of new challenges for us. We have came too far to take a step backward. So, now is the time for us to take a step forward into our future. Together this day, we will celebrate the day of great importance to us. We will now harvest the fruit of our perseverance. We will now embrace our future. Honorable guests, Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Claudette Lisa Armayari, Principals, Division Officers, Teachers, Parents, co-graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the 2009-2010 Big 9 National High School 5th Commencement Exercises.
School Division Superintendent Dr. Claudelisa R. Mayari. Division Supervisor 1 in TLE Dr. Roy Carpio. Supervisor 1 in Science, Dr. Brian Villan. Let us also welcome the different principals from the different schools of Valenzuela. From Tagumay National High School, Mr. Ronald Rono. From Balican National High School, Ms. Conchita Rivero. From St. Trinidad National High School, Mr. Fillmore Caballero. Mapuyang National High School, Mrs. Lagrimas Valle. Mr. Nicolas Urbano. From Gentry National High School, Mrs. Salvacion O'Neill. From Palada National High School course, Mrs. Lagrimas Valle. From Valenzuela National High School, Dr. Margarito Maneru. From Reclamado National High School, Mrs. Mirna Abuto. From Valenzuela City Science National High School, Mr. Neil Aro. And of course, our very own barangay captain, Mrs. Mary Ann Victoriano. And the barangay councilors, Mr. Jude De Jesus, Mrs. Adelita De Jesus, and of course, the supportive PTCA officers headed by Mrs. Merlin Diacha. I am also very privileged to present to you today the hardworking and patient teachers of Valenzuela National High School, the Big 9 National High School. Okay, so in Filipino departments, we have 5 teachers headed by Mrs. Ipa Pio. The English department has 5 teachers headed by Mrs. Emily D. Rivero. Math department has 5 teachers headed by Mr. Manico Valles. The Science and Technology department has 6 teachers headed by Mrs. Mariluz Libaste. The Elementary department has 4 teachers headed by Mr. Alan Carpio. The TLE department has 5 teachers headed by Mrs. Jed Campusano. The Math department has 4 teachers headed by Mr. Richard Buscosa. Thank you and blessed day to all.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, good morning. Dr. Claudelisa Armayari, I have the honor to present 124 young gentlemen and 124 young ladies, a total of 248 candidates for graduation at Big 9 National High School. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the basic education curriculum prescribed for secondary schools by the Department of Education. May I respectfully request the confirmation of their graduation.
Good morning. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Schools Division Superintendent of Valenzuela City and as certified and presented by your principal, that you have successfully completed the requirements prescribed under the basic education, secondary education. This school year, 2009-2010, I confirm your graduation. Congratulations. And my dearest students, you have the rights to enroll in any tertiary level of your choice. Meaning to say, may karapatan na kayong mag-enroll sa university or college. Pagpatuloy nyo ang inyong pag-aaral. To our dearest parents, congratulations. This is not the end, but this is just the beginning of a long journey and more challenges and more difficulties you can hurdle. Congratulations. And to our dearest teachers, congratulations for a job well done this school year. And to our dearest principals, our supervisors, thank you for coming and gracing this occasion and giving significance to this graduation. To all of you, congratulations and good day.
And Ala, fourth honorable mention. Gerald C. Arias. Ariel D. Armado, seventh honorable mention. Spencer John D. Aro. Alfred Morgan C. Barcena, first honorable mention. John